Want to start making money on YouTube? Well, you can't just upload random videos and hope for the best. YouTube monetization has clear rules, and if you play it right, you'll get there way faster than most creators. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps you need to take to get monetized and start earning from your channel.
First things first, you need to unlock the YouTube Partner Program. That means two things: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, or 10 million YouTube Shorts views in 90 days. That's the gateway. Without it, no monetization. But don't let those numbers scare you. I'll show you how to hit them faster.
Not all content grows at the same speed. If you're stuck in a dead niche, it'll take forever. Choose something with demand and consistency, like tutorials, motivational stories, trending news breakdowns, or entertainment. The key is to pick a niche you can produce at scale. Don't reinvent the wheel. Model what's already working and then add your twist. Watch time is the secret sauce. If people click off your videos in the first 10 seconds, YouTube won't push them. So hook viewers right away with a strong question, bold statement, or curiosity gap. Then deliver clear, fast-paced content that keeps them watching. The longer they stay, the faster you rack up those watch hours. YouTube is a game of momentum. Posting one video a month won't cut it. Start with at least 2 to 3 videos a week. They don't need to be Hollywood level. They just need to be clear, engaging, and consistent. The algorithm rewards activity. Don't just upload and pray. Use strong titles, eye-catching thumbnails, and keywords in your descriptions. Share your videos on social media, in groups, and even comment on other channels in your niche. Small moves like this can kickstart your traffic way faster. Once you're in the program, YouTube pays you through ads. But that's just the beginning. You can add memberships, super chats, affiliate links, sponsorships, and even sell your own products. The earlier you set this up, the more streams of income you'll unlock. So if you want to get monetized fast, meet the requirements, choose the right niche, hook viewers, post consistently, and promote smart. Do this, and you won't just hit monetization, you'll build a channel that keeps paying you month after month. Now tell me in the comments, what's your channel about, and how close are you to monetization?